world where technology isn't just a tool, but your superpower. Welcome to CompX, your gateway to mastering computers, technology, and artificial intelligence. Every week, we break down complex tech concepts and make them simple, practical, and relevant to your daily life and career. From understanding the secrets behind AI to building your first computer, CompX guides you at every step, whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast. Our journey explores both the magic and mechanics of technology, answering burning questions and solving real-world tech challenges. Each tutorial is crafted with clarity, storytelling, and hands-on examples, so you not only learn, but truly understand. Join a growing community of curious minds eager to unlock new skills, stay ahead of the tech curve, and create amazing things. Ready to transform your tech knowledge into real power? Subscribe and start your CompX adventure today, where curiosity leads, and you command technology.